to be how to organize your space using containers or boxes from the Goodwill. Of course, the containers are from the Goodwill. The boxes are just old boxes I had laying around, okay? If you're interested, guys, stay tuned. All right, so here we go. So I've taken everything out of the cabinet before I even got started, and I should have left it there so you all could see it, but I've taken absolute everything out, and I pretty much had everything sitting under there individually, and it was very well organized, but over a period of time it just gets messy all again. So I said, you know what, I'm going to the Goodwill, get some things or containers to where I can put them in containers and be able to pull it out and then choose what I need out of each box. Okay, so I picked up this little good thing here from the Goodwill, of course. So this is a very handy basket. I picked this up from the Goodwill as well, and I had all these bowls or flowers on there, and then it just wasn't working for me. Over a period of time, it's just gotten so messy, and I have so much stuff, and it's almost become cluttered to where I can't even think. So I removed those and put all of those in a little box that I got from the Goodwill for 99 cents. It had 2 little drawers, so I just put all the flowers in bowls there. And then I took a lot of my headbands and put it on that little piece that I had the bowls and the flowers on, okay? I also picked up this basket or this little container, big container from the Goodwill, and I think I paid $2.49 for this one as well. And it has all of my like Bath and Body or Victoria's Secret. Guys, this is so easy. I just slide that out. And who else saves their lotion bottles, cuts them in half, and gets all of their lotion out before they throw the container away? I know I do. Look at all that lotion that was in there. Okay, so then this is another container that I picked up from the Goodwill. It was like 99 cents, and I've had this for a while, okay? I picked this up from the Goodwill recently, and I paid $1 for it. And then has all my makeup in there. Not all, but some. And then some clearance makeup from Rite Aid. I also saved my containers from MAC because you know you get a free lip gloss when you get 5 containers. I picked these up from the dollar store. So those little drawers that the little small earrings are in, and then this tray right here was from the dollar store as well. Definitely helps you organize your space. All right, so this is under the sink. So now this is just miscellaneous stuff that I've put in a box. And as you can see, I'm going to pull this box out. And of course, I kept the lid. So I'm push it in. And then nail polish, put it in a little bag. Boxes, little stuff that I would use on a daily. So 2 boxes, old boxes that I had. These are my oils. Some oils that I would use. Others would be there for company. And then this is just something I had received some Victoria's Secret perfume, and then I put my old samples of perfumes in there. And then this is my little green basket that I picked up from the Goodwill for 99 cents, and put my palettes in here because it's just so much easier. And these are things that I would use on a daily basis. Now I picked this up from the Goodwill for $2.99 to store my perfumes on, just the ones that I would use daily, and that would be it. I wouldn't store everything. And then I picked this up from the Goodwill for $2.99 as well. And I know that they do have these at Target. It was like $14.99 or no, yeah, I think so. This was easy. See, I saved my toilet paper rolls to organize and keep things together in this little basket. And then I'm almost finished. Here's my basket that I picked up from Target for my perfumes. It was a complete mess, and I did organize that. This is a curtain hook that I have picked up from Walmart, and I took all of my bracelets and put them on that curtain hook so they stay in there neatly, and that's just more space to utilize. And then I picked up these little containers, of course, from the Goodwill. These were 45 cents a piece. And this is my drawer with, dental things and then creams, okay? So it's just very, very easy. Slide in, slide out. And then my drawer with all of my hair things in it. And this is, remember the mess from the beginning? So little counter space there, because before you guys didn't even see it. It's like everything was organized. I picked up the basket from the Dollar Tree to put my tissue in, and then a couple, that little rack you all seen, I picked that up from the Goodwill. So guys, there's so many things at the Goodwill you can pick up to organize. Yeah, most things don't match that I have, but at this point it doesn't matter. I just want to be organized so I can think. When there's a lot of clutter, it's so hard to think or so hard to focus, okay? So this is under the sink. Everything is nicely organized. Now this is behind the bathroom door. I picked this up right here from the Goodwill for 99¢. And then I also picked up a earring holder. And this is just some of my earrings. I mean, it's just things that just got out of control. So this was easy for me to just keep the stuff organized. I like to see when I'm getting ready. I like to see everything, colors, whatever I'm going to wear. I want to see it. I don't want to have to pick through stuff. And then mouthwash on the sink. And I'm still not sure if I'm going to use this little holder for earrings or what. But right now it's stored there with necklaces on it. And like I said, guys, this is just some of the stuff. There's so much stuff in my room. This is just what I need in the bathroom. Bathroom is now organized. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, Goodwill has a lot of things that you can pick up to organize your space. Bye, guys.